How to make a Fiverr gig thumbnail on Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a Fiverr gig thumbnail on Canva. Super simple, so let's get started. First, you need to head over to your browser. Then in the search bar, you need to type canva.com. Now that you're in the official Canva page, you need to simply go ahead and in the search bar of Canva, you need to type YouTube thumbnail. From here, you will have an access to lots of thumbnail right here. You can select any thumbnail that you want here. I like this one, so I'll simply select this one. Then you need to click on customize this thumbnail. Now you can go ahead and customize this as per your gig. Here, I'll simply edit this. Write SEO and digital marketing over here. You can type anything that you want in your gig. You can add your pricing over here. Let's add the text box. You can simply click on the text to add the text box, and from here you can add your price. Let's say 5. Let's keep our price to low, so let's add $5. You can change the color if you want of the text. Here I want to keep it brown or black, let's say. Then once you have done that, you can put this over here. You can even change the picture over here. You can upload your own pictures and show them that you are good at your work, or you can simply go ahead and select pictures from here. Simply go ahead and search for pictures in elements. Here, I like this picture, so I'll simply drag and drop this over here. And that's it. You now know how to create thumbnail for Fiverr gig on your Canva account. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.